He leadeth me beside still waters, and makes me lie in green pastures. He leadeth me in righteous pathways. He leadeth me. Yea, though I walk through the dark valley, His rod and staff, they comfort me. Guided by Him, I fear no evil. He leadeth me. He leadeth me and sets a table in the sight of my enemies, and He anoints my head with oil. He leadeth me. Surely His goodness and His mercy shall follow me throughout my life, dwelling within His house forever. He leadeth me. He